Fuels for vehicles. Fuels are a source of energy. To utilize this energy, it has to be burnt. All vehicles need fuel to move. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are obtained from the dead remains of plants and animals that got buried under the earth millions of years ago. Hence, these are called fossil fuels. Coal. Coal was formed when huge plants got buried under the earth and decomposed because of heat and pressure of overlying rocks and soil in the absence of oxygen. Coal is used for cooking, heating, and generating electricity and diesel. Petroleum. Petroleum was formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the sea millions of years ago. These remains were subjected to high pressure and temperature, and they got compressed and turned into petroleum. Petroleum is the source of petrol, diesel, and kerosene. Natural gas. Natural gas is often found along with oil under the layers of rocks. It is used in the form of compressed natural gas, CNG. It is an eco-friendly and clean fuel. The entire public transport fleet comprising buses, taxis, and autorickshaw have been converted to CNG. Liquid petroleum gas, LPG, is a byproduct of petroleum refining and is used to cook food. It is stored in gas cylinders and it burns with a blue flame. Costs of fuels. The costs of fuels are rising very rapidly. The prices of petrol, diesel, kerosene, and LPG are revised several times a year. If costs of fuels keep rising at this rate, soon these fuels will be out of reach of the common people. Alternative sources of energy. Materials other than fossil fuels that can be used as fuels are called alternative fuels. Fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy as they take millions of years to be formed. They cannot be regenerated in a short time. We will soon face a shortage if they continue to be used at the present rate. So, we should switch over to alternative sources of energy. Some of the alternative sources of energy for vehicles are hydrogen, biofuels like alcohol fuels and biodiesel, battery, electricity, etc. Wind, solar, and water energy should be used more and more as these are non-polluting. Hydrogen is used as a fuel in space. Biodiesel is used in European countries. Alcohol fuel is used in Brazil to run cars. Electricity is used to run metros, cable cars, and trains.